Everybody can have their own homepage. Companies are there.
Has brought rhyme, reason, and maybe soon the masses to the mystifying world of the internet, which seamlessly links computers all over the world.
The computer is asking me if I want to log on.
In a sense, this is the end of an era.
Cryptocurrencies.
Crypto prices rising sharply overnight.
And different cryptos, including Bitcoin, yes, Shiba Inu, and...
We're developers are saying it'll be more open and decentralized version of the internet.
Bitcoin bloodbath continues as the cryptocurrency fires today.